back to the Vape channel. So today what we're going to be looking at is the Me One from Smoking Vapor. It's not going to be the super long video, but then you never get that from us anyway. What you get is the facts. So this device, I love it. I know the Me Pod from Smoking Vapor has recently come out and it's getting a lot of love, rightly so. However, this, far better. Let's go down below and see what I think of it, and we'll come back and have a final thought. Cheers. Alright then guys, so here we are. This is the Me One from Smoking Vapor, and just have a quick look around the packaging. Nothing particularly special. It is quite nice looking, but again, it's only packaging. So have a close up of what the box includes, and also it gives you the range of the resistances and also the battery life. 1100 mAh battery. And a device like this, it's perfect. It's absolutely fine. So let's open up the packaging. Put it to one side. So this is actually my device, and hence why the box is a little bit battered, but nonetheless. Just pop that to one side for a second. So inside here, as you can see, you got a user manual as such, and also bits and bobs. You also get 2 coils and a USB lead and a lanyard if you will choose to use it. Now let me push that to one side because we don't really need to see all that. So this is the device itself. This is the Me One in a lava shell finish. This is, like I say, this is my personal one. I do rate it actually. I've been enjoying it. Nice little mouth to lung. So yes, like I was saying, this is the lava shell. It comes in different finishes. So we've got it in pearl white, golden dragon scale, I think the actual term is, yellow shell, multitude of colours. We've got them all. Okay, nice resin drip tip on top. I say resin, more like a plastic, but nonetheless it's very nice. USB charging. Also, your fire button on top. Now, as you just saw there is an LED going around the edge of it. Now that LED will be green, amber, or yellow, and red, depending on the battery charge of the device. So yeah, you have a rough guide as to where your battery's at. And let's have a quick look at the top section. So this is your airflow control. On the original version of the Me One, the airflow control was a little bit, for lack of a better term, a bit naff. You could adjust it and it didn't really make much difference. But on the revised version, which is what these are, you can actually tell the difference. It's quite open, up to really very tight in fact. Really nice vape. I've had it on around about the 3rd hole, it just suits me well. Okay, so the way you would get inside it is push down, just like a medicine bottle. Many devices are like this now. Unscrew it. The threads are really nice, by the way. Really smooth threads. And there's your coil. Okay, so that just screws onto the end. Bosh. Now, the coils create a lovely flavour, I've got to say. Some of the best flavour I've had in for a while, to be honest with you, off a mouth to lung at least. The coils last well. You're looking at around about anything from 2 to 3 weeks. Again, it's all dependent on what kind of liquids you use. I mean, you can run 80-20 in this, but being a mouth to lung, I probably wouldn't. I'd probably stick with a 50-50 if I'm honest. 12 mg, something like that. It's really nice. On the back, you have the, well, you can just see that. You can actually see the fill gauge. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, when the coil isn't in there and you're putting liquid in, it's a little bit tricky to see it. It's not awful, but I just wanted to point it out just because it's a thing. When the coil's in, you can see the liquid very well. Okay, it does have this lanyard on the back, well, a lanyard connection. Do I see the point in it? Not really. You can use it if you want, of course you can. But I don't really see the point, to be honest with you. I really don't. But overall, I've been using this device, well, I've had it for a few weeks now, and I rate it highly. I know the Me Pod's come out recently, but no, for me, this is the better device, personally. Okay, I've dropped this a few times and not had any issues at all. Yeah, it's been a joy. It's been a joy to use as a mouth to lung, I've got to say. Really enjoyed it. So guys, that was the Me One up close and personal. Hope you enjoyed the close up. Like I say, if there is anything that I missed, just leave a comment down below and we'll always reply. It's never an issue. Now, as you probably can tell, I'm a fan of this. I really am. It's a nice small device for when you're out and about, if you're going to a restaurant, if you're going to cinemas or out for the day. Instead of carrying a big device around, which I tend to do, something like this
It's perfect, really, really is. Now, I know the Me Pod's come out recently and it's getting a lot of love, rightly so. But for me, the Me one is slightly better, just purely because it's got a slightly bigger battery life. And while I've got both of them, I do prefer this one just purely because the flavour's there. The flavour's far more on point for my liking. Now, obviously, it's all an opinion, it's all personal choice, but I know which one I prefer. Now, you can pick these up over in our shop in Colne or in Haslingden, or on the website at www.keyvape.co.uk. So if there is any questions, like I say, give us a shout. Until next time, thank you very much. Bye-bye.